Hello remote workers, welcome back to the channel. Yes, today I have this amazing opportunity. We have actually companies that I'm gonna share with you, but before doing that, I'm gonna share with you this opportunity. Remote QuickMail is hiring to work remotely, yes, to work from anywhere around the globe. Remote marketing manager, this is the position. It was posted December 19, so only 317 applicants have applied. If you go to your Google browser, type weworkremotely.com, and then you will see this opportunity, remote marketing manager. All right, so if you can see, they are hiring full-time and you can work full-time remote from anywhere. Okay, so let me go back. Actually, it's on weworkremotely.com. This is weworkremotely.com, and then what you're gonna do is to find a job which you are looking for. But guys, I decided to go with this marketing manager. You can see full-time anywhere in the world. As you can see, this job was posted December 16. It's only 300 applicants have applied. Yes, it's full-time sales and marketing. You can work anywhere in the world. As you can see, we are looking for a candidate who can proven track record and driving grow in B2B environments. So the responsibility: grow the number of players through the effective creativity of high quality and scalable demand generation initiative, optimize and improve scale exciting marketing activities. Yes, execute, track and report the performance of marketing program, monitor the performance regularly, and identify the opportunity strategy to improve trial generated. So what you are looking for: proven track record is driving growth through variety growing initiative for the small B2B company targeting small and medium business worldwide. You managed contractors and agencies, yet you are hand on hand, scrappy and secured with or without a budget. All right, perfect a T-shaped market. All these tools, they will train you how to use these tools. These are the tools that are needed. So they have benefits. You can work remotely from anywhere, save a couple of $1,000 and more than $100 per cutting out a commute. There is a chance to step in and have a big impact on establishing SNS. You are running a business side too and get to know the beneficial. Yes, there is team retreat, one team retreat per year to work together per week. Yes, there is YouTube channel. Yes, there is YouTube channel you can watch on this YouTube channel. If you click here, they will bring you this retreat per year. Of course, you can learn about it in details. If you go to QuickMail, yes, QuickMail, and write retreat 2022, you can learn about this information. So but guys, let's go back. Of course, there is a frequent asked question: what next in hiring process after application move forward? Yes, in practical interview, we'll ask you to share the 90 days plan you would implement if you hired. So for American, in this contractor, this is a contractor 1099. Yes, you will become independent contractor. So all employee, of course, it's 1099. So you will not be hired as employee, you will be hired as independent contractor. How big is the market team? The market team is composed of several part-time contractor and was previously led by full-time in-demand generation marketer. This role will build on the foundation they have read. Okay, it is incredible opportunity for people who love to take ownership and make real impact to join our team. So of course, to join their team, yes, they set hour I need to be working during the day. Yes, you need to set at least minimum of 5 hours overlap with the core work hours in Europe. Yes, in Europe you can work between 10 a.m. to 6 a.m. So we have an American member, but she wakes up early. So is there a setup hour I need to be working during the day? Yes, you need to have minimum of 5 hours overlap with the core worker in Europe. So of course, in Europe you have to work at 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. CET, so of course European hours. But also they have people who are in the United States, but they will have to wake up early. So what type of culture do you guys have? What are the type of culture they have? You can see they are incredible fast, practice, aim to excellent, and take pride in their work. They welcome anyone who want to achieve big things. Small team, big emotion. If you want something to accelerate your growth instead of mind numbering job, this is it. This is not kind of like a job. This is to become independent contractor. So are you looking for inventor or selling the company? Absolutely not. So this is independent contractor. Speaking about independent contractor, I have this company that I want to share with you. There is Arise, RiveUp, Working Solution, Omi Interaction, T-Tech. All these company are the company that you can explore to become independent contractors with this company. But this company, if you like to be on the call, yes, you can be on the call, but you can work anywhere in the United States, anywhere, maybe in Canada or Europe or UK, those countries, guys. But if you are looking for to work anywhere, yes, go back to We Work Remotely, check out this opportunity. Yes, Quick Mail is hiring. Quick Mail is hiring to work remotely, yes, to work from anywhere around the globe. Remote marketing manager, this is the position. It was posted December 19, so only 317 applicants have applied. Yes, but if you are looking this kind of opportunity, jump into it, apply. Yes, you have to make sure you include your resume, the keyword in this job description. It's really important to include keyword in job in your resume, because you don't have to just lose your time by applying. So if you know all this, let me show you the tool again. Tool they have all these tools, 1 2 3 4 5. So you have to be informed of these tools. For me, I share opportunities. I don't know much about this type of tools, but guys, if you are into this, of course you know how to use this type of tool. Of course you can Google about it in order to put them in your resume. So guys, this is the opportunity that I wanted to share with you. Make sure you share with your friends. Yes, this is the channel that you might find opportunity worldwide, remote job worldwide. There is jobs with no experience on this YouTube channel. Welcome, share with your friends, and thank you so much for joining me here. Let's meet to the next video. Yes, I was like a little bit behind because I used to make video per day, but guys, I'm coming back with video every single day. Get prepared, jobs every single day. I wish all the best. I know the application is so tiring, but guys, keep moving, keep applying. I know one day you can have this job you are looking for, this job we have dreaming for. So it's not about like you are not lucky, so it's about time. God has plan for you guys. I know how hard it is. If you want to talk to me, yes, join me on my Instagram account. I'm not charging any money to talk to you guys. If you want advice from me, yes, you can contact me on my Instagram account in case I have that advice you are looking for. Yes, and I wish you all the best in your application. Bye bye.